So I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your app icons on your Android phone. So what we're going to do is go onto our App Store, and then in the search bar, you want to type in X icon changer and then install this app. All right, and then once it's installed, just click on open. All right, so then as you can see, once it loads to this page, you got to choose the app that you want to customize. In my case, let's just customize Instagram. All right, and then now basically what you want to do is you have all these selections right here as to which one you want to use. And then if you want to customize it to your preference, then what you want to do is basically go and exit, and then let's say and then go on to Google. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Instagram cool logo. So we're going to basically just press and hold and click download image. And now it should be downloaded. So now if we go back to icon changer, and then now we want to click on gallery, watch. All right, so now we can click on gallery. And then as you can see, we can click on the image that we just downloaded. And then boom, just like that, we click on the X button and then we click done. All right, and then now what you want to do is click on OK. So now it's changing the new icon.